Do you have a tack yet? Oh, nope. So still no two-step. Yeah. Boring. Barely. It's fine. Nope.
Go for a ride.
Almost convinced that I didn't want a Miata.
Is it still a Miata? Good.
I smell oil.
This one's a little hard on it. Yeah.
What you looking at over there?
It's full of water.
Oh. Poop slut. Alright guys, we're out at the black Miata. There's a dog in it. She's chilling. Maximum bull. So I'm gonna take the gauge cluster out and take the rear finish plate off and take the tail lights off and maybe some other stuff. We'll see. There was a guy that was gonna buy all this stuff. James, the guy that sold me the lift kit.
There you go. He's hopping the fence.
Watch him eat ass.
Yeah, is this guy?
Eat ass.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hop it.
No.
It's fine.
Right there, it's fence.
Open. The garage is open.
You can do it, Jake. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, bud.
Like you're walking. Oh, he's got the money.
Yeah. Muscles. Now do a barrel roll.
Jump onto the roof.
Do a flip.
Do a mono.
Oh, still wasn't recording that whole time. Whoops. Well, this is off.
There's someone out there, I'll pack my bags to Rio. She's a dancer, but I'm a drummer. I'm lost in this world, but I found myself in Rio. On a blanket across the ocean. Love is a game, I know I've been afraid. Call me crazy, but don't call me lazy. Keep me alive, don't feed me to these wolves. Oh my Lord, I feel you now. See me at the back door yelling. Caught you at the scene of crime. See you on the other side. Then pull me back. Whoa.
Alright guys, we got the cluster hood out, the cluster out, tail lights, and the rear finish plate. Hold on, let me show you. There's this big crack right here. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna fix it so I can make it look nice. I was like, the only thing is gonna be color matching it, and then I hadn't really seen it in the day before. And I looked at it today and I was like, oh, it's spray painted black. It used to be red, so I don't have to feel bad about the paint not being very good. There's a couple dings in here too that I can fill, and then I can paint it nicely. I might just prime it though, and then call it good. But yeah, if anyone wants this, you can buy it from me, but I'm gonna do a video on fixing it first, so that should be a fun one. I'm gonna take the tombstone out, and then that's probably gonna be it for this video. Sorry I haven't been talking to the camera a lot. I've been trying to get it all taken out before it gets dark because we came over here kind of late. I managed to save this thing too. It goes around the steering column, so if anyone needs that, you got a 1.8 Miata. This might fit a 1.6, I don't know for sure though.
Well, that's me.
If anyone wants that, let me know. If not, I'll just put it on eBay. But yeah, it's in good shape. I didn't break any of it. If it was a Volvo, I would just smash it with a hammer, but it's a Miata, so it's worth like $4 grand. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps it up. I did want to have a quick discussion with you guys, but we got the tombstone and the cluster hood and all that good stuff off of it. But there's a lot of people telling me that I shouldn't be taking this car apart, that I should save it. And I can tell you it's not worth it in terms of investment, because we've actually already got the engine and diff and drive shaft sold. Actually, these guys are buying all of that cumulatively. Ryan's buying the engine. There's Dakota. Cedric's buying the rest of the drivetrain except for the transmission. Garrett, that was here, it's letting us store it here, is buying the transmission. And I'll be in Seattle February 3rd. And I got a bunch of people lined up there who want some stuff, taillights and stuff like that. So for what it would cost to fix it is going to be a lot more than we are going to make off parting it out. So it'll go on to better things. There's a cool thing. I don't really know if he wants me to tell you or not, so I'm going to text him before I edit this video, ask if it's okay. But Laker from Junk Miata, I'll put his channel up in the right here. Go subscribe to him. He is taking what's left of that shell after we're done with it, because his NA and B Frankenstein Miata won't pass state inspection, but this one has a clean title and hasn't been grafted together. So he's going to move all of his stuff to that. That's going to become Junk Miata 2.0. So it will live to see another day, just kind of in a different format. And then these guys have drift and boosted Miatas that are going to be taking its heart and soul. So it's all going to good use, it's all going to good people, and it's going to be a lot more beneficial for us to just sell parts off of it. I need to finish the Rabbit, so there you go. That's why we're taking it apart. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to submit your entries for Car of the Video to curseforeverhelp@gmail.com. We will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Like I said in the outro there, I'm going to be in Seattle February 3rd, so if you need any parts off of this Miata that can easily be transported, we're taking Jake's Accord. There'll be 4 people in it, so we're not going to be able to put a whole lot in there, but smaller stuff. I already have the guy lined up for the taillights, but any of this interior stuff that I took out today, send me a message to curseforeverhelp@gmail.com, and we'll get it in the car for you.